and I'm gonna put it in the description box below, and I'm gonna put the link on the baby lips. Okay, I'm gonna put the link of the baby lips on the description box again, so you will know about the company, if it's safe, and the good thing that you're making it. It's good that you make it yourself because you don't, you know what you put on it. If you buy, you don't know what you put in it. Maybe just some stuff that doesn't not healthy for the lips and stuff. So next time for the shout question. Shout question is, oh, what is your favorite pillow? Okay, that frozen one. I don't think that's frozen, but actually I really love this pillow. It's Sophia. It smells really good. Okay, it smells really good. So don't forget to comment down below. The shout question is, what is your favorite